Hi, it's Margaret from Whimsy North, and today I'm going to show you how to do a left twist stitch, also called an LT in the abbreviations. So to do this stitch, I'm going to be working in these first two stitches here, and in order to make it left leaning, I'm going to skip the first stitch and knit into the back loop of the second stitch. So I knit in the back, pull that through, leaving both of these stitches still on my left needle. Then I'm going to knit into the first stitch regular, and then pop those two stitches off my left hand needle, and there you have your two new stitches, and you can see that this stitch leans to the left, and that is a left twist stitch.